Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge my Kia Niro EV updated. Start by confirming the charge port and battery level on the dash or mobile app. Next, pick a charger type that fits your schedule and range needs. Use level 1 overnight for slow top-ups or level 2 at home for faster charging. For long trips, plan DC fast charging stops along your route and monitor temperature and connector cleanliness. Plugging in at home is convenient and economical most of the time. Install a dedicated 240V Level 2 charger with proper grounding to get faster, safer charges. Program a charging schedule to use off-peak electricity and set a target percent to avoid constant full charges. Keep the charging area clean and inspect the connector regularly. Small habits at home boost daily range, and long public charging is straightforward when you plan ahead and stay flexible. Use mapping apps to find chargers compatible with your vehicle and check real-time availability. Aim to arrive with enough charge to reach your next stop to minimize peak time congestion. At DC fast chargers, plug in fully and monitor the session on your phone. Be courteous and free up the bay when charging completes so others can use it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.